Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome back to your Cali Bro J. Today I'm in the valley of Palos Verdes, and today I'm with my. You want to be on camera? Well, you have the Fireman X. He doesn't want to be on camera. I'm with my boy Jeff, and we're about to go harvest some pomegranates from his property down in the valley. We just did a tour of his garden, and I don't know if he's proud enough to show the garden on the camera.
It's always a work in progress.
It's always a work.
If you want.
We're gardeners, so it's always a work in progress. But we're gonna go down and we're gonna harvest some pomegranates, and I might be doing a giveaway of some of these fresh wild pomegranates.
Sure.
He did not plant the tree, right?
No.
It was a volunteer tree.
It was probably planted by birds.
Planted by birds, so it's a wild pomegranate tree. So we're gonna go down there, harvest up some pomegranates, and later on today, I might do a giveaway. You never know. I might have some of his pomegranates and some of my pomegranates in a box. I might do 2 or 3 different pomegranates inside of a box. You never know. Anyway, we're gonna go down here, we're gonna harvest up some pomegranates, and I'll take you on that journey. You know the motto on the page: each one teach one.
Each one reach one.
Each one reach one. And we'll see you in a few minutes. Peace. The journey down. So I got these 10-pound fireman boots on. That was provided for the trek down. All right. Look at this. Oh, beautiful.
Like we got some lemons happening in here, maybe.
Okay, nice.
The pomegranate's gonna be down there in the tree line.
This is his lemon tree.
Looks to be a lemon. There's some little things happening there.
Okay. Yeah. Smells like a crossbreed between a lemon and an orange.
It's nice.
It's very
Refreshing.
very refreshing. Looks like the size of like a kefir lime or a kefir lemon.
We're just starting to drop.
Okay.
I guess the previous owner, there used to be a gardener, so there was all kinds of different things here, but then it was neglected and cut off over the years. Now it's starting to...
Yeah, this looks like some type of squash vine.
Okay.
Don't know what type of squash, but it's definitely some type of squash vine. Okay. All right. So I had to find my way down this mountainside. Uh-huh. Oh, it's been that long, huh? Oh. All right, guys. I should have brought my machete.
Yeah. Way down there is a creek.
Uh-huh.
The foliage is just like this, so.
Oh, okay.
I mean, it's so overgrown. All the way down the hill, you're not even touching the ground. You're climbing over and through things until you get down to the creek. It levels out, and then it's just kind of wild jungle.
Okay.
Gnarly roots and trees. It's a pretty awesome little area, but it's a journey to get there.
Yeah. We're not going to take that journey today, ladies and gentlemen.
We'll get dirty if we do that.
All right. So I'm going to let you lead the way.
Okay.
I'm telling you.
We always try to kind of approach it through.
Uh-huh.
There's a bunch of trees here.
Okay. All right. All right, look at this, guys. Beautiful pomegranate.
I'm glad it came by. Otherwise, the birds just enjoy it.
Yeah.
I'm good sharing with them, but I like to give to my friends as well.
Exactly. You see that? Each one reach one. Let's look at these beautiful pomegranates.
Some of them get maybe 4 times that size, but I can see the birds are already nibbling.
So this is the wild pomegranate. And believe it or not, guys, Believe it or not, I had brought my own picker. You can never be prepared or underprepared, but you know, when you come to a gardener's house, don't disrespect them by bringing your own picker. That's a lesson learned. Oh man. Oh man. Matter of fact, I should have brought both of them down here so that we could pick together. Oh, he has 2 pickers. Oh man. All right, so I'm gonna fill this bag up and I'm gonna conclude this video for right now.
That was a fresh one, but it looks like they got to.
Oh, they got to this. Oh, so yeah, this is one that had been picked on already, but you can see these are deep red on the inside, and mine's are like a pinkish reddish on the inside, almost magenta. So you can see the difference. So I probably might have a mixed box giveaway, and you guys stay tuned. All right. You know the motto on the page: each one teach one. Once again, and we'll continue harvesting pomegranates, and then we'll see you on the next one. Peace. All right, guys. All right, guys. I forgot the most important part of the reason why I came to visit Jeff. Jeff gifted me this carambola tree, star fruit tree. We just dug it up, and thank you, Jeff. He said he saw my emotional video of when they cut down the other one in the backyard.
I was feeling it, so I felt this is the best place for this little guy to get adopted, and hopefully he's going to go to a good home and be loved. So
yes,
I think it's a good thing.
And you already know it's coming to a good home. So thank you, Jeff, once again. And we're going to get this bad boy home. We're going to root it, pot it up, and we're going to go from there. All right.
Looking forward to seeing how it does it, and may give you a lot of fruit.
No, we will bless this, and it will give us a lot of fruit. It will be bountiful in the year 2026. All right, peace and blessings.